Enjoy Zootopia, Sam. There's a lot of cool things here.
Yay!
Yeah, including this carrot pen. Look!
Wow, that's awesome! Let me try that too, please! Alakazam, alakazoo! Shiver me cheddars, I have to show it to Sue!
Huh?
What was that?
Hey, stop! She took all of my souvenirs.
Don't worry, we've got you.
Hey, Sammy! We need your help!
Roger that! Lots of new souvenirs are coming right up, sir!
Really? Thanks.
Sue! Souvenirs! You have to help me!
Of course, Sammy! Let's save Zootopia! All right, here's what we are starting with.
Hold up, Sue. I got the instructions. First things first, you're gonna need...
Wait, Sammy! This thing isn't working!
Is it the right manual at all?
Now what? Oh, that's right. A good old trick and voila!
Wow! Can I have one too?
Sure, here you go. Why won't you draw Judy?
That I can do. Drawing is one of my superpowers.
Is that so?
Well, of course. Check this out.
Huh? See ya!
Holy cannoli! How did I do that?
But Judy is not a kangaroo!
I know. She's a rabbit. They look pretty similar, though.
Faster, Nick! We can't lose her!
Huh?
What? This shouldn't be here.
Ouch!
Hey, this is just the color I need!
Did you really have to throw this marker? It hit me!
What? It wasn't me! I was just lucky to have found it! Wow, doesn't Nick look cool?
He's cool all the time. And so is Judy. They are really a dream team.
Agreed! Now let's cut them out!
Don't forget the glue!
Thank you, Sammy. You are so thoughtful. Now, watch me closely. Here is what makes this souvenir really fun. Check this out.
Nick is here too!
Look, everyone's gonna love this in the gift shop.
Certified bestseller. Let's keep going, Sue!
Time to make a stealing coin bank for Zootopia, guys.
Huh? I don't get it, Sue. Coin banks don't steal, they save.
Trust me, Sammy, you're going to love my idea. Now, I need a jingle bell.
Did someone say jingle bell?
Great! Now let's close this construction. This way. Don't forget to do this. It's very important. And we can attach this to our coin bank space. By the way, I want to use Gary as an inspiration for this craft. Remember him?
Of course! He even gave me one of his favorite shells.
No, not Gary the snail, Sammy. Gary the snake. You know, that really brave guy.
Oh, right! Now I got it! Here we go! All done!
Good! And this is where Gary gets the coins from. We also need to make a door to get all the coins out. Oh, and we're gonna need decorations too. Where do we get them, though?
Leave it to me, Sue! Nobody's better at this than me!
Gotcha! I can't believe you'd still be causing trouble in this town. Challenge accepted. Get down, now! Ugh, so close. Ouch. Huh? Looks like she's losing her grip.
Guys, what's going on here?
We found the thief, but she ran away again.
And what's that? Oh, interesting. Sue, I saw Nit, and he gave me this!
Cool! It's just perfect for our coin bank.
On to the next step?
Exactly. Let's draw Gary's face on this tissue.
I've got just the right color here, Sue!
Magic cut. Wonderful! Now, let's make this more durable with this transparent Scotch tape.
I will deal with the cutting. Haha! All done, Susie!
Nice! Shush, guys! Sammy is getting some rest. And now, voila! All that's left is to attach Gary to the lid and put the lid back in its place. Let's finish up the design.
Wow! It's done already?
Yep. Want to see how it works? Once more. And this is how you get your coins back.
Shiver me cheddars! That's fantastic, Sue!
Let's keep working with paper. This time, Judy is the main star.
All eyes on Judy, huh? Let's bring her over here while we're at it.
As long as she's okay with being called while on duty.
She won't mind.
Sammy, I'm still looking for the thief, so this better be a big deal.
Yeah, the thing is, we need you to sort of make our work even more special.
All right, I'm here. What do you need?
Just a couple of photos. Say cheese! Oh, yeah!
Judy, I hope we're not distracting you too much.
That's okay. By the way, I'm gonna take this. It could be useful for us.
Pictures are here, Sue!
Great. Right on time. And voila! Here's a sad Judy. And now, a happy Judy. This is so much fun!
That poor souvenir seller will be really excited to see this! And I'm excited to make more crafts!
Next up, we'll draw our best friends again, but this time with a classic Zootopia twist. Sammy, show us that cool move you learned from Mick.
Hi-ya! I'm gonna be the strongest slime in Zootopia! Ultra Smash! What do you say, Sue?
That's really impressive. You might even make it into the ZPD with that kind of strength. Now, give me just a few more seconds.
No thief would stand a chance when I show up! Oh, hi, Nick! You look tired. Want a break? I'll bring you some juice! Here's your drink. Huh? Nick? Where are you?
Wait, that wasn't Nick, Sammy. It was someone sneaking around.
For real? It could have been a thief. But guess what? He got scared of Sam the Black Belt.
Yeah, and I know a fun way to use the mask he dropped. Time for some magic. Ha! Well, get ready to be amazed.
Holy cannoli! I've never seen anything like this! It's worth 1,000,000 cat coins!
Want to know a fun fact, Sammy? Our next craft is also going to be a mega hit. We're going to make a sliding puzzle featuring Nick and Judy.
Wait, this is her trail. Come on, snap a photo.
You got it!
Huh? What's this now? It's Nick and Judy! So adorable!
And it's exactly what we need.
Nick and Judy will go, wow, when they see this in the shop.
I think so too, Sammy. Now, let's mix things up a bit. Oh, guys, this game is really fun. Whoa, is that a siren?
Maybe Nick and Judy got the thief?
Stop right there.
We got you. I knew you would do that. Ha!
over.
Good macaroons! So that's why the alarm went off!
Yes, Sammy, we got the thief.
Hey, Sue! Great news! They got the thief!
Finally! Let's turn this paper into our last craft then. Sammy, I need a pen!
I'm dedicating this winning masterpiece to Nick Wilde!
Very well. Now, let's fold it back again and glue it to another piece of paper.
I made more of these, Susie!
Good job, Sammy. Friends, check it out.
Catch the thief? Check! Make new souvenirs? Also check! We did great! Some brand new souvenirs! Here.
Wow, these are awesome. I don't even know how to make stuff like this.
It's so nice to see everything back to normal. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you